In the Tata Book Publishing House, much attention is paid to the publication of children's books for different age categories, because they are one of the most popular among readers. A very popular book for today is Tatar folk tales. Tatar fairy tales are the most common and favorite kind of folk art of the thousand-year Tatar culture. The heroes of Tatar folk tales are brave, resourceful, hardworking. The colorful edition contains several fairy tales at once. Each of them presents rich illustrations. They describe stories with deep meaning. Simple episodes of choosing between good and evil, truth and lies. Their interests are helping friends push the guides to draw the right conclusions. Such fairy tales are instructive for children of all ages. They teach to appreciate family ties, friendship, fair decisions, not to be afraid to tell the truth, to be a modest, hardworking, and brave person.